Cryptocurrencies have proven to be great investments over the years, despite the many ups and downs in the market. A couple of weeks in the recent past have not worked in favor of the cryptocurrency market. What serves to be a ray of hope is the bounce back of cryptocurrencies, though slow but steady. It's possible to get filthy rich by investing in cryptocurrencies before 2023 begins. Considering how many cryptocurrencies are now in circulation, choosing the best cryptocurrencies for your portfolio is no easy feat. In today's video, we will be showing you top 10 most strong cryptos in 2022. Without further ado, let's begin. Solana. Solana is the fastest blockchain in the world and the fastest growing ecosystem in crypto, with thousands of projects spanning DeFi, NFTs, Web3, and more. Integrate once and never worry about scaling again. Solana ensures composability between ecosystem projects by maintaining a single global state as the network scales. Never deal with fragmented Layer 2 systems or shard chains. Solana matches up well with Ethereum in two critical areas for development: speed and low transition costs. Ethereum's structure limits transactions per second to 15 to 30 on its network, creating a bottleneck that results in high gas fees. It has attracted many crypto investors due to its revolutionary qualities. Cardano. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform, the first to be founded on peer-reviewed research and developed through evidence-based methods. It combines pioneering technologies to provide unparalleled security and sustainability to decentralized applications, systems, and societies. With a leading team of engineers, Cardano exists to redistribute power from unaccountable structures to the margins. Cardano is a third-generation crypto. Its characteristics offer the best combination of first- and second-generation cryptos, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. It uses proof-of-stake (POS) instead of proof-of-work (POW), improving its sustainability compared to other crypto systems. Experts recommend investing in Cardano. Avalanche. Launch Ethereum dApps that confirm transactions instantly and process thousands of transactions per second, far beyond any decentralized blockchain platform today. Stake or lock up your AVAX to help process transactions and further secure the platform, providing security guarantees well above the 51% standard. You probably have the hardware required to join the platform. Avalanche is one of the few blockchains that can scale without sacrificing decentralization. Its potential for interoperability with many blockchains is limitless. Avalanche blockchains are consensus algorithms based on the use case, and the network has more validators than other networks. It is one of the best cryptocurrencies to buy before June to get rich. Polygon. Polygon believes in Web3 for all. Polygon is a decentralized Ethereum scaling platform that enables developers to build scalable, user-friendly dApps with low transaction fees without ever sacrificing on security. Polygon is committed to fostering the growth of Web3 applications by providing the infrastructure needed for Web3. Polygon introduced its version of the Ethereum hard fork, which makes its price more predictable, eventually making Matic deflationary by burning coins. XRP. Using proven crypto and blockchain technologies honed over decades, Ripple's enterprise-grade solutions are faster, more transparent, and more cost-effective than traditional financial services. Our customers use these solutions to source crypto, facilitate instant payments, empower their treasury, engage new audiences, lower capital requirements, and drive new revenue. Ripple XRP is part of the rapidly growing cryptocurrency universe that has enjoyed remarkable growth in fortunes over the past year and continues to make headlines. Ethereum. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, undoubtedly finds its place in the list of top cryptocurrencies worth investing in. There are many reasons why this altcoin has grabbed attention. Its potential applications, particularly the smart contracts that automatically execute when conditions are met, are one of the top reasons. Shiba Inu. As one of the top meme coins, Shiba Inu has witnessed huge gains since launching in 2020. Shiba Inu has performed so well that it is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies and is now among the top 20 cryptos in terms of market cap. You can trade Shiba Inu on Dcoin, MEXC Global, and BKEX. Popular trading pairs for Shiba Inu in the market include SHIB/USD, SHIB/CAD, SHIB/EUR, SHIB/PHP, SHIB/INR, and SHIB/IDR. Anyone who purchased US $2 worth of SHIB in January 2021 was a millionaire by November, as SHIB rallied by over 48 million%. Cosmos. Cosmos apps and services connect using IBC, the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol. This innovation enables you to freely exchange assets and data across sovereign. Set to operate a next-generation decentralized exchange, swapping digital assets from across the interchain with very low fees and instant transaction confirmation. Cosmos SDK is a state-of-the-art blockchain framework that powers the Cosmos Hub and its rapidly expanding orbit of sovereign chains. Developers can use the SDK to build innovative applications that create value through exchange with the Cosmos Hub. Next up on the list of best cryptocurrencies to invest in is Cosmos. This crypto focuses on the implementation and growth of blockchains to connect and communicate with each other. For Cosmos to compete with blockchains to use its innovative technology, the Atom coin is required. Due to this, Cosmos is one of the best cryptocurrencies to consider right now. The Sandbox. The Sandbox is best known for its two smash mobile hits, The Sandbox 2011 and The Sandbox Evolution 2016, which combined generated 40 million downloads across iOS and Android. In 2018, developer/publisher Pixel decided to bring the successful user-generated content gaming IP and large community of creators from mobile to the blockchain ecosystem. Another digital currency to buy from the list of the best cryptocurrencies to invest in 2022 is the Sandbox. The crypto is a leading metaverse token that aims to connect the virtual and real worlds via unique NFTs, whereby players from all over the world can explore the Sandbox ecosystem while communicating and networking. Decentraland. For more experienced creators, the SDK provides the tools to fill the world with social games and applications. Decentraland is also one of the best cryptocurrencies to buy in 2022 if the metaverse industry is something you wish to gain exposure to. Decentraland is similar to the Sandbox in its virtual world aspect and is also another solid cryptocurrency to consider. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.